The beauty of Facebook Marketplace. Flip-floppers all over. This guy wanted to come see this bike in the middle of Old Man Winter. Ahead of me here was a tarp that was frozen to the ground in the bike, a snowbank completely burying my bike, unfavorable conditions, to perform a cold start on a old vintage bike.
Fascinating.
And as you could probably already tell, the guy did not buy the bike. But I'm not bothered because I got a Temu build ahead of me.
I got my Virago. It's all tarped up, and as you can see, Old Man Winter has hit the road towards us, unfortunately, not leaving just yet. But we got our battery here that was on the trickle charger, and she's all topped up. And we're gonna try to get this thing turned over because the guy actually wants to see if it runs. So without doing too much harm and wasting the guy's time, I'll go ahead and get this bike started prior to him showing up, which he's on his way right now. So all snowed in, but I'll try my best to show you guys the bike.
It is frozen. To let you know how cold it is minus 17 right now, minus 18. But overnight it becomes like minus 26, minus 27. So, get the snow off. And then, snow on me, and she is pretty snowed in, so go ahead and pop this cover off. Actually, before I do that, I'll go ahead and show you the bike.
So this is a Yamaha Virago. It's an XV1100S, and the S stands for Special Edition. This thing has tons of mileage on it, and we've taken so many road trips with this thing, doubled up and even saddlebagged all across our province, and I gotta say, it never let us down. Only until last summer where we actually had to put it aside. It was having some electrical issues. Turns out it was just a stupid 10-amp fuse that wasn't letting the bike turn over. But she runs good now. She's got some little things we gotta fix up, but a couple of things that's really different about the bike. It's got a modified air filter. We got a whole new electrical system, so upgraded ignition coils, spark plugs, new stator, and all that. She's got a windscreen on it. We got some aftermarket Vans grip bar ends over here. Got cruise control installed. A little thing about this bike that's different is we have a previous generation of Virago fairing. So this whole assembly here is the previous gen, and looks pretty good. Not really knowing why this broke. This is new to me. I think somebody might have busted that, but it's okay. It is what it is. That was broken last summer too, so I think it just came apart. But nonetheless, she's good. We're gonna go ahead and plug her up and see if she can run, because I know she's got gas, I know she's got oil. So she's loud though. She's got no muffler. She's chopped, buddy.
I really hope she runs, because I'd like to get this thing running for my buddy here. Now, because I'm so familiar with these bikes, I would not find any harm in getting another one for fun as a project too. So I figured, you know, why not do that? Another cool thing about this bike is, you know, we don't have to have it sit inside the battery tray to have it run. We could just have it hanging out here, start the bike up and see how she goes. So, the choke doesn't seem seized up. I know she's getting fuel, so we'll go ahead and A, not fall on our ass here, and B, plug this up. So positive, negative. All right, let's see if this works. Whew. I got the keys somewhere here. Here we go. Oh yeah.
It's looking pretty good. Do you think it's gonna run? This bike, this dog is gonna go insane. Yeah, I didn't think it would. Here we go. Oh, no way. Oh. A little bit more on the choke. Let's try this out. Oh. I'm honestly so impressed that this thing can even start over in the middle of the cold. It's amazing. But I mean, woo, that's insane to me, man. That was a lot of priming. That's incredible. Doesn't sound like right, but it sounds okay for a cold day. I mean, with a short ram intake. She's choking out. That's incredible. Well, she starts, so that's a good sign. Yeah, I will let that be the way it is for now. She's completely solid, completely frozen solid to the ground for the tarp, but not much I can do. So, yeah, I think that's a big victory. So I'm just go ahead and accept it for the way it is. It's incredible. That is incredible. Yeah. Anyways, the bike might be sold, might not be. We'll see. The guy's on his way, so we'll go from there. I mean, it'd be nice to make some bank on this thing because, you know, it's at that time where it's great. It's a great running bike and whatnot, but it'd be nice to make a little bit of bank, especially in these times. But I kind of want to focus on this XV14, but this was a great little bobber and honestly kind of a cheap thrill, not gonna lie. This was a project, so we got her running and she's looking good, runs even better than ever, and yeah, we'll see what we can get from this guy. So fingers crossed.